Hello guys, hope you're all doing great. I'm glad to welcome you to another episode of my trading journey. This week has been kind of slow for me. It shouldn't have been slow, quite alright, because I had a very good setup on Tuesday. I think Tuesday or so, Tuesday going into Wednesday. Yeah, but the trading materialized on Tuesday, so and I closed the trade at the end of the day, only for me to wake up in the morning and see that my trade actually went in my direction while I was asleep. Yeah, and it's one of my strategies to always close my trade at night, so I don't want to leave a trade overnight. Although once or twice I do leave my trades overnight, and this is one of the times I should have, but I didn't, and so I lost out on that 3 hour, I think 3 hour to 4 hour trade. Yeah, and on Monday, I don't think I saw anything on Monday. I think this happened on Wednesday actually, because I remember that the first 2 days of the week was zero for me, nothing. Yeah, so the only day that was able to get a setup, I should have won it, but I just came out at almost break even, slightly in profit. Then on Thursday, I'm not sure I really saw anything. Okay, I think I saw something, but I was skeptical about it, so I didn't take it, and that went in my direction, but without me. Then on Friday was when I took my other trade, which I lost one on Friday and I won one. Yeah, so I'm just slightly above, not I'm just slightly above last week, I should say. Yeah, just maybe 1 hour in profit, no 0.5 hour actually in percent. I mix up percent and hour so much. So it actually for me is 1 hour in profit, but for my account is 0.5%. Yes, so that's not a lot, but at least it's just I'm still a bit cushioned where I am. Okay, so I'll go into my fundednext account now and show you how it went. Also, remember, anyway, I'll continue when I open my fundednext account because I still have another gist for you guys on my 25K account. So I'm here on my fundednext account, and you can see my accounts already. This is my 5K account and this is my 25K account. Okay, so let me quickly talk about this 25K. I don't intend to say a lot about it, because remember I said I'll be trading this with a different strategy on gold, and it has to do with 15 minutes and 1 minute. And it has been good actually, because you see my account now is at 26,272. Okay, actually I think I should just open in dashboard, but I won't really say much about it. Yeah, I just want to be on a low key on this account until I pass the challenge, if I do. And yeah, remember that it's a BOGO offer account. So if I pass the challenge, I'm going to get another 25K account. And currently I'm on 5% up on this account. Remember the target is 8%. Let me see, where is it? But now for the next trading target for Stellar account is 8%. So I'm at 5% here. So I have just about 3% to cross this challenge. Yeah, and it's still with that strategy that is different. Remember, I told you guys I won't be mixing up my pairs on the same account anymore. So on the other account, I trade pound USD. That was the pair that helped me cross that challenge, and I kept on trading it there, even though it has been slow for some time now. But at least it's separate. And this account, this 25K account, I'm trading gold there separately. Yeah, so if this strategy crosses this challenge for me on gold, then definitely I'll keep on trading the strategy on it and see if I can get a payout. So I'll maybe later in the future now compare both of them and maybe continue using both of them separately, or maybe just switch to one completely. So I'll decide that later. So but at the moment this account is 5% up, and I think it's just 9 trading days. So that's not a lot. It shows that the strategy is a good one. But how long it can stand the test of time is what we need to confirm now. So I'll go back to my account and go into the main one I've been trading for a while, and it's this 5K account. And this one is still in drawdown, but it's only 2.3% in drawdown. I should have come out of drawdown this week. Yeah, based on how everything went, I should have come out of drawdown. But that's trading for you. The should haves can be sometimes a lot more than the what actually happened, and that's just it. But I'm still keeping my fingers crossed. My payout date is on 4th of September, which looks almost impossible at this point once again, but I don't mind. Let me see. 4th of September is Monday. Oh, okay. So if it's Monday, then it means that the opportunity is gone because today is 30th, right? Okay, no, sorry, it's 30th. So 4th of September is down here. It's on Thursday, so I have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday to see if I can come out of drawdown. Interesting, interesting. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. Let's see how it goes. On yesterday, Friday was a very strong day. If that strength will continue on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, then it's very possible. One of the reasons why it's been tough moving forward trading this is because the market doesn't really have much strength. So that's for the last maybe one week or two though. The strength is not really out there. So you may be in a trade and it's just playing around with you. It's not making the move. So but with the kind of strength I saw yesterday, then maybe to just start making stronger moves this week and then I can cross this challenge. Alright, so I'll move on to my trading overview now. So just get a bit of line direction of how it's been going. So you see what I'm saying? At least for this week, I've moved up just one step, as you can see. So I need a very big step to come to move back above something like this. I need a very big step like this. So if I get a trade that is like this, maybe I think this should be like 3 hours or thereabouts. Then definitely I'll move from here to somewhere around here on Monday, hopefully, or Tuesday. Then maybe I get another one and I move out of drawdown above this 5,000 naira you see here. I say naira dollars, I mean, you see here. And then I can get a payout because I really need to get something out of this account. But let's see how it goes. I know from the way I trade, I know that this account maybe I may not um, blow it, but it may take a while to get a profit because it's not a very, very fast pacey type of trading that I do here. But for that goal that I showed you at time, that goal is going to is going to do a lot. Okay, so I'll go into my trading view account now, and the trades I took was just two trades for pound USD. Very boring week for me. Yeah, but at least as you will see here, I took one step forward. All right, guys. So this is my pound USD chart, and on Monday was 25th, yeah, 25th of the month, and you can, as you see, I don't even know how I wasn't able to take a trade on this day. I don't know. Maybe I thought that this trade will continue to buy based of this strong bullish move. Yeah, but I see I see a very strong. Now we are looking at it in hindsight. It looks like there should have been a trade here. And I feel the same way too. I feel there should have been a trade here, but I don't know. Maybe I just wasn't confident about the move. So that's okay. Sometimes you may have to sit out trades if you're not sure of the trade. And on Tuesday, okay, Tuesday was there I was talking about. So I spotted this nice opportunity on Tuesday. Um, yeah, and I entered quite alright, but you can see I entered. Look at where I entered. This is around 1 p.m. in the afternoon. New York session, and he just kept on playing, almost at stop loss, back at break even, move a bit in profit, stop loss, and he just kept on doing that. And you will see before this line you see here is the 12 p.m. line or the closing of the day trading line. And then you see that even at that point, the market was still around my break even. And most of the time, when this happens, if you stay in a trade overnight, the market just has a way of going to hunt everybody out before going in the intended direction. But then this wasn't the case for this trade. It just ran straight to the TP. And you can see it's the like 3 point something out that I missed. I was targeting this low here. So definitely I would have had more, yeah, from this trade. But I closed that break even and that's how I lost out on this. Then this one, I saw this, I liked it, but I was very, very skeptical. I don't know why I was just skeptical of buying this week. I was very, very skeptical of buying this. I wanted to see the market come down because of this. If I go to 4 hours and you see this broad channel I drew, I don't even know if it's valid yet, but I just have it there. And because of this channel, I wanted to see price come down. and it's actually giving that vibes like it's going to come down, but it just keeps on playing with the upward move, and that was why I was skeptical taking this trade. Yeah, then on Friday was when I took my last trade. There was one I took here. Okay, maybe I didn't mark it, but I think I did. Maybe it didn't load properly. Yeah, I took that trade somewhere around here because after this price had pulled back to this level, I thought for some reason I thought remember that I was strongly in the mind frame of selling, but maybe I just felt that okay, maybe this thing wants to buy, and I'm sure I took one trade around there. I don't know why it didn't show, but yeah, then this was a loss for me. This was a loss for me. I was targeting these highs. It was a loss for me, but then when market pulled a bit lower, and because of the way the market structure was, I saw this reversal pattern around here, and I took another trade here, and I came out at 1 to 2. This trade I wanted it to be 3 hour. Yeah, so initially I pulled my TP to the 3 hour marker, which I would have gotten. Yeah, definitely. But then when I saw this, let me enlarge. When I saw this long wick, I ran out of the trade somewhere around 2 hour. Let me see, around 2 hour. Yeah, when I saw this long wick here, and I just didn't want to play with this profit because I really needed to cover up for this loss I took. So I ran out of the trade at 2 hour, and that was how I got the little profit I had for the week. So it could have been more than that, but it's fine. It's fine. Okay, so that's it. That's the pair I want to show. Remember, I trade gold as well, but I don't want to. If I do analysis on pound USD and gold, may take a bit longer time, and I don't even want to say anything much about that gold yet because I'm still developing the strategy. I don't want. I want to be focused on what I'm doing on it. Yeah, so that's why I'm not saying anything about it yet. But I can tell you that it's working so far, at least for the last 2-3 weeks. I can say it's working. And funny enough, I even funded a little money on my because I have an FSTM account which is just there. Sometimes I just put some money there, play with it, and I lose it, and I just leave it there. So I even funded a $50 into that account, and I was able to grow that $50 to 100 and something dollars in just this 1 week, trading with $5 risk. So you can imagine that the strategy, that growth strategy, really looks like something that would be very good for me. And also, don't be surprised if I start doing something like account flips, turning $5 into $50 into $100, all that, because it's actually possible with gold and the way it moves. Yeah, but definitely we'll see how it goes in the coming future. It's really looking exciting for me. But of course, the year is not over yet. I had big goals for the year, but things slow down a bit, and we all experience what happened, so it's fine. And I hope that things will settle down quickly as time goes on, as the year runs down. All right, guys, so that's all I have for today. I hope you enjoyed this breakdown analysis and everything. If you love what I do, please like, share, and subscribe. Exciting times ahead, I can assure you of that. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.